Welcome to my class. This is today's evening class, okay? And today I'm going to share and solve your asked question, your difficulties, okay? Welcome, students. Now here first I'm going to solve the question from trigonometry, right? Question is given like this. Prove, okay? It is asked to prove it is asked to prove sine square a minus cos square, okay, b, and it has asked to bring sine square b, sine square b minus cos square a. Right here, cos square a. Okay. And the first look here, we have to write here left hand side. Right here, left hand side. Okay. And write this question: sine square a minus, right here, cos square b. And we have to remove, okay, we have to open here, we have to use the formula according to our need, okay, because the same trigonometric, function may have the different formula. That's why. That is why we have to use the formula of this, okay? Sine square A. It has different formula, and we use the formula according to our need, okay? And what we need to bring on right hand side, okay? That we need to take care about that one, okay? And according to this question, here is, look, here is given sine square A, but in answer we have cos square A. Look there. Here is A and here is A, right? And cos square B we need to bring in sine square B, right? And there is only one relation. Sine square A we need to bring cos square A. That's why there is one relation of this one formula, Pythagoras relation. Sine square A means we have 1 minus cos square A, okay? We have to open this formula, right? Sine square A we need to bring, okay, sine square A we need to bring cos square A. That's why sine square A means 1 minus cos square A. This is Pythagorean relation, okay? And now minus here is cos square B, and we need to bring here sine square B, right? There is also one relation only of Pythagorean relation, okay, of this trigonometric function. That's cos square B means we know 1 minus sine square, okay, b, okay, like this. According to our need, we are opening the formula of this trigonometric function, okay. These are opened according to the Pythagorean relation, right? Now what we need to do here, now remove the bracket, right here 1 minus cos square a, right? And now remove this bracket here, minus 1, then at minus minus we'll do it right here plus, and right here sine square b, right? Now we know this minus 1 and plus 1 is cancelled 0, right? 1 minus 1 is 0. Then what is remaining here? Here is remaining minus cos square a, okay? Cos square a is remaining here, and here is remaining plus sine square b is there, okay? And according to our result on the right hand side, look there, sine square b is positive, that's what is written back, and this is cos square is negative, that's what is written, okay. Look, sine square b is positive, that's why this is front written, and this cos square a is negative, that is written back, okay. We can change their place, back and front one, okay. That is sine square a, this one sine square b. Now the sine square b I wrote first, okay, this is positive, here is plus sign, and minus, here is minus cos square, that is written back. This was our result to bring, okay. This positive we wrote front, and this negative we have written back. I hope you understood this. Okay, any other difficulties you can share, okay. Just in those who have come live, okay, to join, they can share the difficulties if they have. If you have difficulty, you can share with me so that I can solve your difficulties here. Okay, now I am going to the asked question. Okay, here some of the students are asking me the question from this ratio, right? And look here in this question, what we need to do. Okay, I want to clear this. This is two number. Okay, question is asking from ratio, right? And here is given 2a. Okay, here is given if there is given 2a, 2a equals to, right, 3b, 3b equals to 6c, right? Here is given like this 6c. Okay, these three conditions are equal. And asking to find, after this, find, is asking to find a is to b is to c, right? A is to b is to c, a is to b is to c. And in this condition, what we need to do, look here, I'm solving here. And for this, look here. First of all, write this given quantities, okay? Look here. This here is 2a equals to 3b, okay, equals to 6c. These all are equal, okay? There are different methods to solve this question, right? And now I want to do here among them one easiest one method. We can suppose this is constant k also here, okay? Here also we can suppose this one. Then we can find the value of a, b, c separately and we can put here, okay? That also we can apply. And what I tell you, among them, this one will be the easiest one. Look here. This we are finding all this a value, b value, and c value, okay? From here, from this condition, okay? In terms of, okay, C also we can write that one. Okay. Suppose this, look here. It means what? Look here. It means here 2a. 2a equals to, we can write here 6c. Okay. 6c. Then what will be the value of a here? Value of a will be now here 6c. Okay. By 2. And 2 on the 2, 2, 3 is 6. We can write like this. And we can write it therefore a equals, what is this? This is a equals to 3c. Okay. We can write like this 3c. And then from here only we can find the value of b in terms of c, okay? Then right here, 3b equals to, also we can write, they are equal, that's why 3b equals to 6c also we can write here, okay? Then we can write here next step, or here also we can write or, okay? We have to write or also, that is the process. And b equals to what we will look at, children? This we can write 6c, okay? 6c by 3. Then we can cancel this 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the. So therefore, what is the value of b here now? Therefore, b value also come in terms of, this will be now 2c, right? We can write 2c here, b equals also 2c. Then, if you know the value of a also in terms of c and b also in terms of c, now we can find this value. Now, right here, now we can use now here a is to b is to c, right? And now put here, what is the value of a here? A value is just, we have found here 3c, right? Okay, 3c. And is to, what is b there? B value also came in, put c there. This is 2c, and then is 2, right? And c value is already in c, okay? Now a value also in terms of c came, and b value also came in terms of c, and we wrote this c same, okay? Then we can cancel this now, look here. This all c we can cancel from this all, right? 1 1 1, okay? This one also cancel. Then what is the ratio coming? Children, look there. 3 is to 2 is to, okay, 1. This is the ratio of A is to B is to C. Okay, I hope Tilak Thapa. Okay, Tilak Thapa is now, okay, the problem of Tilak Thapa that's shared, okay, is the problem shared by Tilak Thapa is solved here. Okay, have you understood or not? Please write the comment there. Okay, Tilak, okay, please, you have to share the question. Okay, you can't share the exercise only because here I have not kept the books of all the classes here. You can share the question there. Question I need so that I can solve here for your help. If you need the help of any question solution, please you can say the question here. I can help. Okay, just now I solved here one question from the ratio. Okay, this one A is to B is to C. How to find out? We can solve this by different method. Okay, only this is not the only one method. There are other method also. Tilak Thapa, are you okay? Thank you very much. You understood. You have written there understood. Okay, it's good. Now, if you need the question, okay, solution of the question, your difficult question, you can say the question like Tilak Thapa. Okay, Tilak Thapa has shared here the question that I have solved here. Okay, this is symmetry and test lesson that will be designing only. Okay, related to the design. Okay, from class 1 to class 10, you can ask. Okay, and I can solve your difficulties of mathematics. Okay, Celine. Now I am going to solve here the question of trigonometry. Okay, I'm repeating the class 1 to class 10. If you have any queries, okay, any questions related to mathematics, you can share with me, then I can help for the solution. I want to clear it. Okay, this third number, look here. Okay, I'm telling to Tilak Thapa. If you have any problem about the simplification, you can share the question so that I can help you for solution. Share the question so that I can solve your problem. And I'm going to solve here next question, that is how to solve, okay? How to prove this, that I'm going to solve from trigonometry, and that is here. Question of the trigonometry, okay? It is like this. Prove. The question is given here to prove, okay? Here is given prove, right? And question is given like this here. 1 by, is given 1 by sec a plus tan a, right? Here is given sec a plus tan a. Is the question. 1 by sec a plus tan a, okay? And minus is one separate one is there, 1 by cos a. This is the question. 1 by cos a, okay? Here is 1 by cos a, right? And its right hand side is to prove is that 1 by cos a is given 1 by cos a, okay? Here is given 1 by cos a, okay? And minus 1 by, here is given 1 by sec a, okay? Sec a minus tan a, right? The question is this, sec a minus tan a. We need to prove this one, right? And look here, children. In such condition, how to prove this question? I want to show here. And here, first of all, take this like this. Okay, look here. Left hand side right here. Right here, left hand side. Okay. In left hand side, what is given there? Write it. 1 by, here is given sec a, right? Sec a plus tan a, right? Write as sec a plus tan a. and minus there is given second term here is given decimal fraction 1, that is 1 by cos a. Okay. Okay, after this, what you need to do here, we know this one, look here. This one means we know here it is sec square a, right? Sec square a minus tan square a, we can write there. Okay, tan square a, its value is 1 in Pythagoras relation, right? And down there is sec a, okay, sec a plus tan a, sec a plus tan a, right? Sec a plus tan a here. And we know that 1 by cos a means here sec a, right? We can write like this sec a. Okay. Then in next step, we know if this a square minus b square formula it is, then write this here like this. Okay. Look here, it is sec a plus tan a plus b formula, that is a plus b, and then another one is a minus b, sec a plus tan a, write this. Okay. Another one is there, sec a minus tan a. Okay. Sec a minus tan a, and this another one is there, separate term is there, sec a. Okay, write it sec a only here, sec a, right like this. Okay. And it's below what is there, look children, and here is given sec a, look here, sec a plus tan a. Okay, write as sec a plus tan a. Okay, and here this and this is cancelled, and now what is remaining there, look, there is remaining, okay, sec a minus tan a, right here, sec a minus tan a. Okay, and another term is there also, there is sec a. Okay, and here is what is happening, look here, don't cancel this sec and this minus sec, right? What we need to do here, our result is to bring here 1 by cos no here, next step on, right? And we can write like this here, this sec a means this right is same. Okay, this right sec a only, and now we can put this sec a here like this. Look at children, sec a negative one first, right? And this next one is there, what is here, tan a minus tan a, right? Right here like this, tan a, right? And now what we need to do here, look, 1 by sec a, this sec a means, look here, 1 by cos a. Okay, sec a means 1 by cos a right here, which we need to bring here on the right side. It has come already, right? Look here, this 1 by cos a came here, sec a means 1 by cos a. And now look students, this minus take common here. If we take minus common here, here is remaining sec a plus tan a. Here is remaining sec a plus tan a, right? Here is remaining sec a plus tan a. And now look, is denominator nothing means what will be here? Here is remaining 1. Okay, children? Then see here, after this what to do? Okay, and now see here, this is our result that we need to bring here. Already it has come, right? Right here 1 by cos A. Okay, 1 by cos A. Then here denominator also we can write now. That's just reverse one. Right here sec A. Okay. And here is plus tan A. Okay. Tan A write the same. Okay. And this one means what do you know? In this one we can use now. Here we can use here now sec square A minus tan square A. Okay. Sec square A minus tan square A. Now let's remove this formula. A square plus A square minus B square means A plus B A minus B. Okay. Just open that one. Only 1 by here. 1 by cos A is here. Right. 1 by cos A. And this one, look here. Here will be sec A plus tan A. Sec A plus tan A right here. Okay. And down there is sec square minus tan square means we have to write there. One is sec A plus tan A and another is sec A minus tan A. Okay. Sec A plus tan A first. Then next one you can open. Okay. This sec A plus tan A, this is cancel. Okay. Then next one is remaining there sec A minus tan A, right? Sec A, okay, minus tan A. There is another factor there is, okay. 1 plus 1 is cancelled there already. Okay. Now here is 1 remaining up and down is remaining sec A minus tan A. Down this plus 1 cancel, okay. Here I want to show you this line, last line. Look here, children. This last line I want to repeat. This line I want to repeat here. Okay, here is given 1 by cos A. Okay, right here 1 by cos A. Last line I'm writing here, repeating here. And minus here is 1 by, and here up it was there sec A plus tan A. Sec A plus tan A was there. Okay. And down also there were two one. First one is there A plus B, that was look A square minus B square formula. First one was there sec A plus tan A. Sec A plus tan A, right? This is sec A plus tan A, and next one is there sec A minus tan A. Okay. Sec A minus tan A. Okay, sec A minus tan A. And then now this and this cancel, plus plus, here is remaining 1. Okay. Okay, there is also something hidden there. Okay. That's why sec A plus tan A, sec A plus tan A coming. Here is also something. Here, this down one, this sec square A minus tan square formula is sec A plus tan A into there is down. There is another one sec A minus tan A. Okay, here is remaining another one factor here sec A minus tan A, right? And we can quote this one. Look at this one and this one quote. Here is remaining 1, and that is our answer. Okay, that was our right hand side. Look here, 1 by cos A. This was 1 by cos A, and minus here is 1 by, okay, this is upper part. Okay, this up to here upper part. Here is remaining 1 by, this is sec A minus tan A right here, sec A minus tan A. Right, this is our right hand side to bring, and hence proved this right hand side. We obtain right hand side, then proved here. It is proved. Okay. Like this, we need to prove this question. Okay, then we brought the result and it is proved there. Okay, this some part is hidden there still. Here we need to write proved. Proved here. We bring right hand side. This is our right hand side. Okay. We solved left hand side and we got right hand side. Then our solution is this. Our question is proved. Okay. 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 I got there some question there. A plus b plus c is equal to the find a square plus b square plus c square. What is that one? Whole square. And down this is this has come from algebra. What is a plus b plus c is equal to then this by a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4. This is spurs to 12. My problem is this one. Okay. Question is not. Okay. I will look this question here. Real number. Okay. And I suggest you, my viewers. Okay. Please share the questions from class 1 to 10. Okay. I found that some of the questions these are from out of the school level. Okay. Some of the question. Okay. Tilak, another has. Okay. Another question has this. Okay. By b minus 2x y minus 4. Another one is there. How you have shared this question. Okay. Just some of the symbols of these questions. It looks different. Okay. Please write them in simple language. Some of the question. Okay. Some of the questions. I found there's some different symbols there in mathematics here. Okay, Tilak Thapa, please write the mathematics language. This one, but it's simple one. And this, my viewer is first wala, also tut wala. Please share your difficulties of the school level. Okay, I'm just continuing about the school mathematics here, class 1 to 10. Okay, my viewers. I'm just solving here, okay? The school level questions, right? And this I want to clear my, okay, whiteboard. Okay, 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 I want to solve here one more question from trigonometry one. Okay, the question is like this. Look, question is asking to prove. Okay, prove. Here is given sine power 4a, right? Power is 4a, and given next question is there cos power 4a. Okay, this is our left hand side, and right hand side is here 1 minus 2 sine square a, 2 sine square a into cos square a. Okay, and here we need to solve this left hand side, right? This is left hand side, right? Right at left hand side. Left hand side equals to what is there? Sine, okay? Sine square, this one a, this left hand side will be expressed into square, right? It's square, and plus this left hand side, next one is there cos square, okay? Again, it's also square, right? And then we have to use here formula, this one. We have the formula of a square plus b square, right? That's why we express this sine power 4a in square form. It means a plus b we have right inside the bracket. It's whole square, right? And minus 2ab will be there. 2ab. And here in place of a, there is sine square a. This is, that's why now we will write here inside the bracket. Okay? Sine square a, and plus sign is there. This plus, and then b means what is here? B means we have there cos square a, and it's whole square, and minus there is minus sign, then we write here 2, and a means here sine square a, write here sine square a, okay, into cos square a, cos square a, right? And now we know that it is the Pythagorean relation, sine square a plus cos square a, its value is 1, okay, its value is 1, then write 1 square minus 2 sine square a, 2 sine square a into cos square a, right? Then our right hand side came right here, then equals to 1 square means 1 only, 1 minus 2, it will be here sine square a, okay, into cos square a. This is our result to bring right hand side. Then right here equals to, we obtain the value of right hand side. Right here right hand side, then right here proved. We proved it. Okay, this is proved. Like this, we have to solve this type of question. Okay, we have to prove like this type of question. By expressing them in a square plus b square form, we obtain this value. Okay, and today this much only, and I will come tomorrow also in live. Okay, in evening time. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Keep practicing mathematics, and see you again. Thank you.